Fulbright Theological Seminary of Lakewood, Washington, USA proudly invites you to the class of 2026 graduation ceremony, A Generation Equipped to Transform the World. The much-awaited ceremony will take place on Saturday, August 1st, 2026 from 9 a.m. all the way to 1 p.m. at Trinity Baptist Church, 8421 Mid Road, southwest of Lakewood, Washington, 98499, hosted by Reverend Dr. Francis Keduku. Chief guest will be Dr. Tendai Masiriri and the speaker, Elder Melvin Nobles. Come for celebration, dedication, faith, and excellence in theological education. The theme of the event is enshrined in the 2nd of Timothy 2 and verse 15. Study to show yourself approved unto God. Don't miss this unforgettable celebration. Fulbright Theological Seminary, education for prosperity.
Hey reviewers.
In a world connected by dreams and aspirations, how do we bridge the distances between us? At Fulbright Theological Seminary, we believe the answer begins with a shared vision. We are a global community, bringing together voices from every country, students and leaders all united in a single purpose. Our mission is to provide theological excellence without borders, combining timeless wisdom with modern innovation. Imagine joining a vibrant classroom from anywhere in the world, connecting with brilliant minds and dedicated men. Here, faith is put into action. We are equipping a new generation of leaders to inspire, to serve, and to transform their communities and nations. This is more than just an education. It's a calling to make a global impact. Fulbright Theological Seminary, reaching the world, shaping tomorrow's leaders. Join